Feeling drained? You're not alone. Do you ever feel completely drained after spending time with a certain person? Do you often put their needs before your own, even when it leaves you feeling depleted? You might be an empath in a relationship with a narcissist. Being an empath means you have a big heart. You feel things deeply. You are naturally drawn to help others. But sometimes, this can make you vulnerable, especially in relationships with people who might take advantage of your kindness. Don't despair. There is hope. You can use your empathy as a superpower to break free and create healthy, fulfilling relationships. Turn your wounds into wisdom. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey, a renowned empath, teaches us that our struggles can become our greatest teachers. When you're in a relationship with a narcissist, it can feel like you're losing yourself. Their constant need for attention and validation can leave you feeling emotionally drained and invisible. But you are not alone. Many empaths have walked this path before you, and they have emerged stronger and wiser. By understanding narcissism and learning to protect your energy, you can reclaim your power and build a life filled with joy and authenticity. The first step to healing is recognizing the problem. It's crucial to understand what you're dealing with to take the right steps forward. Narcissists often display certain behaviors that can be harmful to those around them. These behaviors can leave you feeling drained, confused, and even questioning your own reality. They might have an inflated sense of self-importance. This can manifest in various ways, such as always needing to be the center of attention or believing they are superior to others. They might brag a lot or exaggerate their achievements. This constant need to showcase their accomplishments can make interactions feel one-sided and exhausting. They might need constant admiration and validation. This can lead to them fishing for compliments or becoming upset when they don't receive the attention they crave. They might fish for compliments or get upset when they don't receive enough attention. This behavior can make you feel like you're walking on eggshells, always trying to keep them satisfied. They might lack empathy for others. This means they often fail to understand or care about the feelings and needs of those around them. They might have difficulty understanding or caring about your feelings. This can make you feel isolated and unsupported, as your emotions are often dismissed or ignored. They might exploit others for their own gain. This can include manipulating situations to their advantage or using people to achieve their own goals without considering the impact on others. They might use you for emotional support without offering anything in return. This one-sided dynamic can leave you feeling emotionally exhausted and unappreciated. If these traits sound familiar, it's essential to remember that you are not to blame. Recognizing these behaviors is the first step towards protecting yourself. Narcissism is a complex personality disorder, and it's not your responsibility to fix it. Trying to change a narcissist can be a futile and draining endeavor. Your focus should be on protecting yourself and creating a healthier environment for your well-being. This might involve setting boundaries, seeking support from loved ones, or even professional help. Remember, self-care is not selfish. It's a necessary step towards reclaiming your peace and ensuring your mental and emotional health. Take the time to invest in yourself and your happiness. By recognizing the signs and taking proactive steps, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. It's about finding your own path to happiness and well-being, free from the shadows of narcissism. You are only free when you realize you belong no place. You choose to belong. Maya Angelou. Setting boundaries is crucial for empaths, especially in relationships with narcissists. Empaths often absorb the emotions and energies of those around them, making it essential to protect their own well-being. Maya Angelou, a celebrated poet and activist, understood the importance of defining her own space and honoring her needs. She knew that saying no was a powerful tool in maintaining her sense of self. Saying no can be challenging, especially if you're used to putting others first. It can feel uncomfortable and even guilt-inducing, but it's a necessary step in self-preservation. But remember, setting boundaries is not selfish. It's an act of self-care. It's about recognizing your own needs and giving yourself permission to prioritize them. It's about protecting your energy and emotional well-being. When you set boundaries, you create a safe space for yourself to thrive and grow. Start by identifying your limits. Take time to reflect on what makes you feel uncomfortable or drained. What are you willing to tolerate, and what are your non-negotiables? Understanding these aspects of yourself is the first step in setting effective boundaries. Communicate these boundaries clearly and calmly. It's important to express your needs without anger or resentment, ensuring that others understand your perspective. Don't be afraid to enforce them, even if it means distancing yourself from the person. Sometimes, the most loving thing you can do for yourself is to walk away from situations or people that do not honor your boundaries. Embracing the power of no allows you to reclaim your time, energy, and emotional health. It empowers you to live a life that is true to your values and needs. Remember, every time you say no to something that doesn't serve you, you are saying yes to yourself. And that is the ultimate act of self-love and respect. So embrace the power of no and watch how it transforms your life for the better. Section 5. Eleanor Roosevelt's secret self-care is key. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. Eleanor Roosevelt. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity, especially for empaths. Eleanor Roosevelt, a champion of human rights and a woman who knew the demands of public life, understood the importance of nurturing her own well-being. Make time for activities that nourish your soul. It could be spending time in nature, reading a good book, taking a long bath, or practicing yoga. Find what brings you joy and peace, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Section 6. Oprah's Village: Finding Your Support System. Surround yourself with only people who are going to lift you higher. Oprah Winfrey. No one can do it alone. Having a strong support system is essential for navigating the challenges of being in a relationship with a narcissist. Oprah Winfrey, a shining example of resilience and empathy, often speaks about the importance of surrounding yourself with positive influences. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or therapists. Connect with other empaths who understand what you're going through. Sharing your experiences and feelings can be incredibly validating and empowering. Section 7. Knowledge is power. Learn from Drew Barrymore. Drew Barrymore, a name synonymous with resilience and empowerment, has a lot to teach us about overcoming life's challenges. Happiness is a choice, not a result. It's a state of mind that you can cultivate, regardless of your circumstances. Drew Barrymore's life is a testament to this philosophy. Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. Henry David Thoreau. This quote resonates deeply with Drew's journey, as she has often spoken about the importance of making a conscious decision to embrace happiness. Drew Barrymore, a successful actress and entrepreneur, has spoken openly about her struggles with addiction and her journey to find happiness. Her candidness about her past and her determination to overcome it serve as an inspiration to many. She emphasizes the power of taking control of your life and choosing joy. This means making deliberate choices that align with your values and aspirations. Educate yourself about narcissism, as understanding this can be a crucial step in protecting your mental health. Understanding the dynamics of this personality disorder can help you make sense of your experiences and develop strategies for protecting yourself. Drew's insights into personal empowerment can guide you in navigating relationships with narcissistic individuals. There are many books, articles, and online resources available to help you gain a deeper understanding. By educating yourself, you can build a toolkit of strategies to safeguard your well-being and foster a more positive, fulfilling life. Section 8. Embrace your empathic superpower. Remember, your empathy is a strength, not a weakness. It's what allows you to connect with others on a deep level and make a positive difference in the world. Use your experiences to grow and learn. Channel your energy into your passions and pursuits. Embrace your compassionate heart and use it to create a life filled with love, purpose, and authenticity. Section 9. You are not alone. Resources and support. There are many resources available to support you on your journey. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. The National Domestic Violence Hotline, 1-800-799-7233. The National Narcissistic Abuse Hotline, 1-800-839-1680. The Crisis Text Line, text HOME to 741741. Section 10. Your journey to freedom starts now. Taking the first step is often the hardest, but you are not alone. Embrace your strength, honor your needs, and remember that you deserve to be in relationships that are healthy, supportive, and fulfilling. Your journey to freedom starts now.